First, reaction to rejection. Rejection always evokes strong emotions, whether it's rejection in a job, a personal relationship, or a project you've devoted a lot of energy to. We feel hurt, doubt, and even fear for the future. But what if we look at rejection from a different perspective? In this video, I'll show you how Stoicism helps you see rejection as an opportunity for growth and transformation. Stoic perception of denial. The Stoics believed that events themselves are neutral. It is our perception that colors them in negative or positive tones. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Everything that happens to you is simply events. Your task is to choose how to respond to them." Rejection doesn't destroy us if we don't allow it to do so. It merely reflects reality. Not everything is up to us. This principle helps to reduce anxiety and find inner peace. Why rejection is a gift. Rejection can be a hidden blessing. It prompts us where we can improve. For example, a failed job interview can reveal weaknesses in our skills. Reminds us of the principle of the control dichotomy. We can't control other people's decisions, but we can control our own reactions. Opens doors to new opportunities. History is full of examples where rejection became a turning point, from layoffs that led to the creation of successful companies to love rejections that opened the door to happier relationships. Practical lessons in Stoicism. To learn to see rejection as a gift, you can apply Stoic exercises. Separation of control. Make 2 lists: what you can control, your actions and reactions, and what you cannot, the decisions of others. Focus on the former. Journaling. Write down your experiences after rejection and look for positive lessons learned. For example, what did you learn about yourself? What skills are worth developing? Negative visualization. Imagine that rejection will happen and realize that life will go on. This reduces the fear of possible failure. Accept rejection to move forward. Rejection is not a reason to stop, but a signal to seek new paths. As Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the soul, just as effort strengthens the body." Instead of avoiding rejection, learn to accept it with gratitude. After all, every rejection is a chance to become better, stronger, and closer to your true goals.